Welcome to MVP Auto Review, and today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting comebacks in the muscle car world, the 2026 Plymouth Road Runner. A name that once ruled the streets during the golden era of American performance is back, and it's not here to simply be a nostalgic badge. This new Road Runner blends raw muscle, modern engineering, and a design language that pays tribute to its roots while embracing the future. The first thing that catches your eye is the design. The 2026 Plymouth Road Runner doesn't shy away from its heritage. Up front, the wide stance and aggressive front fascia immediately recall the classic late 60s models, with a modern interpretation of the iconic beak-like grille. LED headlights sit deeply recessed, giving it that predatory, almost sinister look, and of course, the signature Road Runner, beep beep, horn remains as a nod to fans. The long, sculpted hood, muscular fenders, and fastback-style roofline create a silhouette that screams performance even when it's standing still. Plymouth's design team clearly wanted to make a car that turns heads whether parked or doing triple-digit speeds on the highway. Under the hood is where the magic truly happens. The 2026 Road Runner offers two main engine options: a 6.4-liter naturally aspirated HEMI V8 pushing out a jaw-dropping 515 horsepower, and for those who crave even more, a supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat variant producing over 720 horsepower. Both are paired with either a slick-shifting 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic with launch control and paddle shifters. Plymouth wasn't just aiming for nostalgia, they wanted the Road Runner to dominate the performance charts. The car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.5 seconds in the supercharged version, making it one of the fastest muscle cars on the planet. But performance isn't just about straight-line speed anymore. The new Road Runner benefits from a thoroughly modern chassis setup with adaptive suspension, electronic stability control, and Brembo performance brakes. This means it can actually take corners with confidence, something old-school muscle cars often lacked. Drive modes allow you to switch between comfort, sport, and track settings, adjusting throttle response, suspension stiffness, and steering feel to suit your mood. Whether you're cruising the boulevard or carving up a mountain road, the 2026 Road Runner feels composed and ready for anything. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect mix of retro cues and cutting-edge tech. The cabin layout echoes the simplicity of the original, but with high-quality leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminum trim. The driver gets a flat-bottom steering wheel, digital analog hybrid gauges, and a large center infotainment screen with the latest Uconnect system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with integrated performance pages that display real-time horsepower, torque, G-forces, and even a drag strip timer. A premium Harman Kardon audio system is available, though the deep rumble of that HEMI V8 might be the only soundtrack you need. Plymouth didn't ignore modern safety, either. The 2026 Road Runner comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. It's the kind of muscle car that lets you have all the thrills without compromising on everyday usability. One of the most impressive aspects of the new Road Runner is the balance between performance and comfort. On the highway, it cruises smoothly, the engine barely breaking a sweat at low RPMs. Around town, the lighter steering and good visibility make it far less intimidating than some might expect from a 700-plus horsepower beast. Yet, press the accelerator, and the exhaust roars to life, the rear tires dig in, and the car lunges forward with pure, unfiltered aggression. It's a reminder that the Road Runner is, at its heart, a driver's car, built to be enjoyed. For enthusiasts who grew up idolizing the original, the return of the Plymouth Road Runner in 2026 is more than just another car release, it's a dream realized. It's proof that even in an age dominated by electric vehicles and hybrids, there's still room for a machine that celebrates old-school V8 thunder while integrating modern technology and safety. Plymouth has managed to do something rare in the automotive world: resurrect a legend without diluting its soul. The 2026 Road Runner isn't just a name slapped on a body, it's a fully realized muscle car that respects its past while roaring into the future. For collectors, it's a must-have. For gearheads, it's an adrenaline fix on wheels. And for the average driver who just wants to feel something every time they hit the start button, the Road Runner delivers in spades. If you hear that iconic beep beep on the street in 2026, turn your head, because the legend has returned, and it's faster, louder, and meaner than ever. The Plymouth Road Runner is back, and it's ready to leave its competition in the dust.